Hello ACCA buddies, I hope you are doing well and I hope your preparation for your upcoming attempt is going on well. Make sure that you join the Telegram group and the WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description. Yes sir. So as promised to you that I am uploading lectures regarding what? The must do question for each standard when coming to your SBR syllabus. Yes sir. I hope you have watched the other videos regarding leases, revenue, financial instrument, employee benefit, share based payment, IAS 38. Yes sir. In our today's video everyone, we will be discussing the must do question when coming to your IAS 36 impairment of assets. Very important topic for your SBR exam. I say बहुत ही ज़्यादा important topic है because this is part of FR, but when coming to SBR it's totally tested from theory point of view. Yes sir, simple. आ जाओ. So I'll not waste much of your time. Yes sir. Now regular batch students अगर आप देखोगे तो आपके पास क्या है, notes है. तो you have board notes, so it will not be issue. If you see, I've already given the list of the past papers, must do, etc. Yes sir. अगर आप देखोगे in the class we have already done, these are the topics which are tested in IAS 36, and after each topic everyone, as it's easy for you to revise with the help of pictures, and after each topic everyone, if you see we have taken directly an exam kit question. Yes sir. तो ऐसे आपको करना पड़ेगा. Now coming to this one, the type of question which you have to do and the type of question that are usually tested from what IAS 36. Yes sir. I say everyone, hardly there are 6 type of question which comes from this standard. Yes sir. That is, the first one is indicator, impairment. Impairment का meaning क्या? Sir, decrease in the value of the asset, and in that also impairment. First indicators are there, then we do impairment test. Totally theory topic. Yes sir. Boy company is there in your past paper, must do question. Yes sir. Then value news, theory topic again. Sir, value news, what are the cash flows we take, what are the cash flows we will ignore, so what is the discount rate. Sir, the important topics relating to the cash flow projection should be based on recent and budget, recent financial statements, etc. XYZ. Yes sir. Then impairment loss accounting. Sir, how do we do the accounting for impairment loss? Same as your IAS 16. Then CGU concept, identification of a CGU, and what the calculation, how it is allocated when coming to this part. Yes sir. Then coming to what the fifth point everyone, that is the reversal part. Reversal में बोलते हो कि SBR में बहुत ही rare है, FR में भी नहीं आता था. When coming to SBR तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा rare है, but make sure that you have some basic ideas so it becomes easy. Then coming to what goodwill and corporate asset everyone. Now sir, goodwill, as you know, goodwill is an asset, but goodwill never generates independent cash flow, so it's very difficult to calculate the impairment amount. And we have learned this in what everyone, we have learned this topic in your consolidation. In consolidation everyone, we have learned the calculation, how do we calculate the impairment value for goodwill with the help of CGU. Looploid company question is there, make sure that you do this. Yes sir. These are the 6 type of question everyone that usually comes in the exam. Regular batch students, again no issues for you because why? I've already given the question bank to you. In that question bank everything is mentioned. Yes sir. अगर आप देखोगे question bank, type 1 question, type 2 question. Yes sir. See now, type 2, very important question, cash flow projections. Yes sir. Then cash flow rules, discount rate, link to the case and give the conclusion. Yes sir. Then type 3 question is regarding this one. Type 4 question is regarding what? Impairment of CGU part. Yes sir. Type 5 regarding reversal, and type 6 regarding goodwill and corporate asset. Corporate asset will never generate independent cash flow, तो क्या करते हैं? We separate it and allocate to multiple CGUs. Yes sir, अपने क्लास में किया था. Yes sir. Now everyone, coming to the list of the past papers which you have to do and must do questions everyone. Yes sir. See everyone now. Now coming to, this is the list of the past papers everyone which you have to do. Yes sir. The first question is boy, that is March June 2022, and it's relating to indicators, must do question. अपन ने क्लास में कर लिया था ये question. Yes sir. Then Joban company, yes, must do again. I say everyone, it is relating to your value news. In value news, liability calculation we have to consider, etc. each and everything. Then coming to what? Bismuth company. Bismuth company is also relating to value news, must do question as I mentioned. Yes sir. Then cut thread. Cut thread में क्या है? This is related to IAS 38. Sir, impairment, whenever we are not able to amortize any intangible asset, what do? We do impairment test. Yes sir. तो वो वाला topic था. Yes sir. Then coming to this question, this is a link between IAS 36 and IFRS 5. Yes sir. Then Phil company, then player 2, Corbel company. All these are the questions which are regarding indicators, climate issue. As you know everyone, sustainability, climate issue, impairment will come into picture. Sir, climate issue है. Climate issue है तो क्या होगा? Sir, non-current assets, we have to see whether indicators there or not of impairment, flood, etc. These all are the indicators. Yes sir. Then Corbel company, and then this is the latest past paper everyone which you have to do September December 2025. Yes sir. Must do question regarding CGU everyone. Then Carsoon company. Yes sir. Carsoon company also financial reporting implication whenever climate issue, etc. बहुत बार आ चुके हैं sir. Then player registration, regarding this question everyone, must do question because there is a link of IAS 36. 38 and IFRS 5, yes sir. Then coming to ACCA, in ACCA you have head office relating a very small part in this, yes sir, make sure that you do this. And then consolidation, as I mentioned everyone, loop Lloyd question must do. So must do, which are the question everyone, as I mentioned, this Bismuth company, yes sir, this one and this one. These are the 6 must do question when coming to your IAS 36 everyone. Make sure everyone you do this, make sure you take this screenshot and do these questions, because these are very important questions, yes sir, for your exam, particularly when coming to IAS 36, yes sir. So I hope everyone you got an idea key frequently the questions are tested from these 6 areas, and make sure that you do these questions which I have given, yes sir. And then yes sir, this one Carsoon company, just a revision, this one MC question you can do it, yes sir. I hope this is clear to everyone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure that you like the video and subscribe the channel, and please do share with your friends if they are preparing for the SBR exam. I am coming up with my practice batch everyone. The practice batch, the fees is 1999. In this everyone we will be practicing more than 20 past papers in the class. You will be typing with me. ऐसा नहीं है कि sir मैं recording दे दूंगा, no. You will be typing with me. We will be revising the topics also along with this. So if you want to enroll for this batch is starting from 17th August everyone. It's starting from 17th August, that is before 20 days of your exam. अगर आपको exam clear करना तो make sure that you join this and take the benefit of this, and make sure that you clear your exam, yes sir. And the other revision marathons etc, a lot of videos are uploaded, to make sure that you utilize that, yes sir. Sir, how should we connect? This is my number 6361764852. You can message me ki sir I want to join the practice batch, yes sir. So with this everyone, so I hope this video was helpful. So with this everyone, bye bye, have a good day, signing off, Radha to everyone. Let us meet in the another video everyone.